let's talk about permitted development rights. Yes, that is the right to extend your home upwards, downwards, to the sides or to the rear. These rules have been relaxed recently, but you need to be very, very careful because PDR, permitted development rights, can and is a meal ticket for the legal profession. As we speak, there are literally thousands and thousands of cases going through the court. It could be a neighbour's right to light. It could be a neighbour simply being spiteful. It could be a small mistake, something taken for granted, something that was assumed that could cost you dearly. So you need to be very careful. Under PDR, you can extend to the rear, two-storey extensions, side extensions, although wrap round extensions are not covered by permitted development rights, garage conversions, but if the garage is going to be used as an annex or as a separate residence, then you would need to apply for planning permission, porches, garden rooms, outbuildings, external render and cladding, once again, only to a certain degree. Beyond that, you would need to apply for planning. You obviously need to be certain that you are not in a conservation area or covered by any other rules. So no matter what you are told by a builder or an architect, to be completely covered, once you have, before you even start, run it by planning, at least make initial inquiries, and then once you have all your designs completed, once again formally run them by your local planning officer and ensure that you have the go-ahead in writing, not verbally, in writing, so that before you even lay a brick, you know that what you are doing is completely within the law. Because unlike applying for planning permission, where neighbours do often have the opportunity to become aware of what you're doing, express an opinion about it, or object to it should they wish, under permitted development rights, your neighbours might not even have a clue until the building work has started. And if you do have a neighbour who's not happy about anything that you're doing, and they do somehow have legal grounds to make an argument, even though if you are not breaking the law, then that legal argument could result in litigation that could cost thousands. So you need to be extremely careful. There is also the ethical question, and that is that if our streets of 2 up, 2 downs are being extended by people who have got money to do so, and are being changed from a 2 up, 2 down to a 3 or even 4-storey, 4-bedroom or more property that is significantly higher than what are first-time buyers going to buy. Also, if we encourage people to be extending properties left, right and centre, then basically in the average street we will be living in a world where there is building going on in our residential area, ongoing, never ending. Is that what we want? There are arguments for and against, of course. In order to help you with this, I am putting together a guide to permitted development rights. It should have been completed already. Unfortunately, I have just been very, very busy. I'm hoping to have it finished next week. But in the meantime, if you'd like to keep an eye out, use the QR code on my screen to follow the link to my website. And as soon as it's done, I'll put a post on my website with a link for you to download this absolutely free. No obligations whatsoever, no signing up to a course, no get rich quick scheme, nothing whatsoever. Just a guide with as much information as possible to help you to make a decision about what you're going to do before you even take the first step. As always, if you have any questions about property, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you very much. I am working my way around all the questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.